Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look. I created a poll as to which makeup look you want to see next. Sara Ali Khan was voted 43% and Deepika Padukone was voted 42%. Since I did not find a striking look for Sara Ali Khan, so I went for Deepika Padukone instead. I love this look and you guys were requesting me to do a makeup tutorial with red lips, so here it is. The earrings are from Miniso and everything else will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. The red lips, the shimmery nude eyes, it ties up the entire look. Also guys, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There have been so many new people joining this channel and I'm super excited about that. But my statistics still say that a lot of you guys who regularly watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. It's like 66% of the viewers. So that's a lot. Because right now I'm at 50k, and imagine if those viewers subscribe to my channel, I would easily be at 100k or maybe 150k. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you really like watching my videos. And now let's get started. Don't ask me what I did with my hair because I'm extremely bad with hairstyles, and I just put up my hair in a ponytail and that's it. I just moisturize my face, and let's start with the primer. The primer I'm going to use is this Sugar Pore Minimizing Primer. I really like this primer a lot. It's got a silicone base and I really like my skin after I use it. Also, the reason why I look down is because I keep constantly checking if I'm in focus. There's the LCD monitor there, so that's what I'm looking at. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation today. Also, I wanted to show you how cute is this makeup sponge holder. I got this from Plume and it opens up like this. The sponge does not absorb any product at all, so I'm going to use very little quantity. So the foundation's on, and now for concealer I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I love this concealer. The salmon shade in it helps to hide the dark circles, and I love blending my foundation with the Real Technique sponge. Now I'm going to add this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer under my eyes. And this is to highlight my under eye area. I love how instantly it brightens my under eye area. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with this Bharat and Dorris loose powder. And I'm just going to place it under my eyes and then blend it, and then just go over my entire face with whatever's left on the sponge. So the base is done. Now I'm confused if I should go for the eyes first or the contour first. I think I should go for the eyes first. So you guys know that I'm trying out different brushes, and today I'm gonna try out a different set of brushes. This gorgeous looking set was sent to me by Plume. Oh my god, look how beautiful this looks. So they sent me 16 brushes. These brushes are organic and vegan, and these brushes are super soft. So I'm going to try out a few of these brushes today. I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. So I'm going to take this shade, which is a brown shade, like a cool toned brown shade, and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids and my crease. Okay, the brush is very soft. Wow, it blended really well. I'm going to add a little bit more of this color. And I'm going to blend the edges with the other side of the brush. I'll do the same to the other eye. I absolutely love this brush. I love how it blended my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this pencil brush for my lower lash line. I'm going to pick the same color and apply it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna pick this eyeshadow brush. This is a round head eyeshadow brush. I don't know what to call it, but it is an eyeshadow brush, a blending brush sort of. And I'm going to pick this shade, which is a taupe shade. Starting from the inner corners, I'm gonna take it to the middle. I guess she has it all over her crease area, just like that. I'm mainly putting it in the inner corners of my eyes and just in the inner crease of my eyes and dragging it to the middle of the crease. I'll just lightly apply it all over my eyelids. Very, very lightly. The brush actually sits right in my inner corners very, very comfortably. I'm going to add this warm brown shade in the middle of my eyelids. I'm done with the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to use this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown. I'm going to tight line my eyes and apply it on my upper lash line and lower lash line. Using the pencil brush, I'm going to smudge it. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is from Sugar, and this is the Lash Mob Limitless Mascara. I love this mascara because it separates my eyelashes really, really nicely. And you guys can see how beautiful my eyelashes look. And this is with just one coat. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to apply false lashes and be right back. And I'm wearing the Nykaa OG Lashes in Natural Volume, and the glue I used is the Ardell Duo. I'm going to add this dark brown shade on my upper lash line very, very close to the lashes so that the lash glue doesn't show. So the eye makeup is done. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Rival Brow Definer, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. To contour my face, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Contour Powder, and I'm going to use this angled brush to contour my face. Again, the brush is very, very soft and it blends the contour really, really well. I'm also going to apply it on my temples and my jawline. So for the blush, I'm going to use the other end of the brush. And the blush I'm going to use is from this Sugar face palette, and I'm going to use this blush. And to highlight my face, I'm going to use this highlight shade. And I'm also going to apply the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone area. For my lips, I'm going to use this Colorbar Take Me As I Am lip shade. On top of this, I'm adding a little bit of MAC Ruby Woo. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel. Also like, share and comment down below. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. Bell icon is very, very important. Yeah, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.